Today we will demonstrate how to include the OR parameter in a Google Sheets filter function. This example filter has two parameters. The data in column B must be greater than 25 and the data in column D must say warning. Both parameters must be true. Now we will look at the syntax of introducing the OR parameter. We will rewrite this filter function with the first condition being the OR parameter, and just for the demonstration, another condition which will need to be satisfied alongside the OR parameter. In the new function, one of two conditions must be satisfied. Either the data in column B must be greater than 25, or the data in column D must say warning. Each condition is wrapped in brackets and separated with a plus sign. Note that you can add as many conditions to the OR parameter as you want. Finally, an additional AND parameter can be added as demonstrated with the final parameter, where the data in column C must return a value greater than 95.